Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, before we get this video started, I just want to say thank you for all the support that I received on the last video that I posted. All that support means a lot to me and I really appreciate it. Today we're going to be installing a brand new deck lid panel on my 2016 Mustang. It is the 2018 style one that has the lines in the middle but it has no emblem. So let's unbox it and get this started. So here's what it looks like inside the box. It's actually really nicely packaged with this like foam inserts. So let's get it out and see what it looks like. So here's what it looks like out of the box. Like I said, I got this one off of lmr.com. It is a 2018 style one, so it's got the lines in the middle and it's a genuine Ford part and it looks really good. As far as the install, it's really simple, and let me show you how to do that. Alright, so as far as removing the factory deck lid panel, there are these covers on each side, so there's two in total. And under those covers, there are two bolts that I used a 7mm to remove. And once you remove those, the way I did it is I put some painter's tape right here along the edge. Got a plastic pry bar tool and just wedged it in here and was able to push down on the clips and was able to remove this. It's really easy. It sounds a little scary, but it's really easy once you do it. So let me set the camera down and get that fully removed off, and then I'll show you what to do next. So here's the factory deck lid panel removed off, and then here is what it looks like with nothing there. So you can see the two bolt holes that I said I used a 7mm to remove. There's a camera that you have to disconnect, and that's pretty much it. Super simple and super easy. So now we're gonna have to transfer this camera onto the new one that I received. So let's go ahead and do that. And these two bolts right here are 5.5mm, I believe. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. So on the one that we received from LMR, has this block off plate that's held in by two 5.5mm bolts. So you just remove those two. Remove the block out plate. On the factory one, you want to remove your backup camera, and you just want to remember how it's oriented, or else if you put it upside down, you'll have to disassemble everything, and then your camera basically will be upside down when you go into reverse. So the way I remember it is the plug has to be facing towards the driver's side. So you just insert that in. And then on the factory one, you also want to make sure you get the bracket for it. So you basically just install this on the new one and then just reassemble everything. So let me set the camera down, put that in, and then we'll jump to reassembling everything. Alright, so I'm using a microfiber cloth to hold this because I really don't want to scratch it or get like fingerprints and stuff on it. It's brand new, you know. So the camera's in. Like I said, you want the connector part facing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. For the reinstallation, super simple. I'm going to try and show you. There are these like placeholders, I'm assuming, or I'm not really sure what they're called, but they're like lips. Yeah, it's those things that are sticking out. You want those to go under these things when you're reinstalling it, and then you just reconnect your camera and just push the clips in and your bolts, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to set the camera down and get this knocked out, and then I'll show you the final product. Alright, so once you have the bolts back in, really easy install. It's on there really good, and then you just want to put your clips back on. There's a little letter, I don't know if the camera's going to focus on it, but there's a letter right here, and it tells you which way they go. So this one says the left, so we're just going to put that on the driver's side. The other one is the right side. And those just push back in there like that. So once that's in, your install is pretty much actually complete. So you just close the trunk, you sit back and admire. The lighting's kind of crappy right now, mostly because it's like really cloudy outside, but I think it looks really good. The next thing I have to do for this rear end is either switch to the smoked out Euros or retint these, and because it doesn't look good. Like, it just looks really faded from the sun. Doesn't look good at all. Yeah, so this install is really easy. I like the way it all like fits together with the factory pieces. This is a Ford factory part, so it should fit nicely with the colors and everything. And I like how I don't have the holes anymore, and it's seamless pretty much. So yeah. Alright, thanks for watching my video. If you guys have any questions on the install or have any comments, put them down in the comment section below, and I will do my best to look at them or answer them if I can. As always, I appreciate the support on these videos. It means a lot to me, and I'm going to do my best to upload some more.